we learn about farm animals. This is horse. This is cow. This is hen. This is rooster. This is buffalo. This is bull. This is duck. This is dog. This is cat. This is sheep. This is fish. This is goat. This is donkey. Like and subscribe Balloon Kids TV.